Hey everyone, Mr. Sujano here, your home for gaming, tech, news, and reviews. In today's video, we are taking a look at the physical version of Graceful Explosion Machine from Super Rare Games. Let's get started. Alright, to kick things off, there were two things inside the cardboard shipping box. A thank you for your purchase card from the Super Rare team, nice touch, as well as the game that is wrapped in bubble wrap. I'm actually really surprised the game held up in shipping. Sometimes when things ship overseas, they don't necessarily end up in the best condition. Super Rare did a great job in packaging this so nothing was damaged along the way. With the bubble wrap out of the way, there's yet another piece of plastic. It has a Super Rare sticker on it, and I'm trying to open this plastic without damaging that Super Rare sticker. I like to have everything intact just in case, but it doesn't look like that's possible here. The sticker actually looks like kind of a protector, so you know whether or not this has been previously opened. Inside of that package was the game, these trading cards, as well as a Super Rare game sticker. If you're a fan of stickers, then hopefully this is right up your alley. Taking a closer look at the cards here, the first one is just the title card for the game. This is Beeline. It says dives headfirst into the action. There's also a card for Snaky, Swirly, and Dangerous. And lastly, the Graceful Explosion artwork card. Taking a closer look at the case of the game, and I can see that it looks really nice. I would expect no less considering that Super Rare Games is a professional company. But this looks like it could just be sitting on the shelf in a store. Opening the case and I can see the game as well as an instruction manual. These things are super rare, pardon the pun, but these are super rare to find in games nowadays. Most of them have a digital instruction manual, so it's really nice to see a printed instruction manual that actually looks really nice and feels pretty high quality, all things considered. Inside the instruction manual is a nice little foreword from Super Rare Games, as well as the story, the controls, and some really nice artwork for Graceful Explosion Machine. And lastly, here is what the cartridge looks like close up. Now, all things considered, everything you get inside the little package from Super Rare Games is actually quite a bit compared to a lot of AAA titles. For example, here is Breath of the Wild, and when I open it up, there's really nothing in here, aside from some very beautiful artwork. There's nothing in here except for the game cartridge. So with the Super Rare Games, there's actually quite a bit more, which I kind of like. The instruction manual for Breath of the Wild is also a digital one, there is no physical one. Now, that's probably not the most important thing you're worried about. Does this taste bad? Did they replicate the poor tasting stickers on the Nintendo Switch cartridges? Well, let's try that out for science. Yeah, that tastes pretty bad. It lingers too, it's a very bad taste. Let's compare that with Breath of the Wild to see if it tastes the same. For science. Yep, that tastes bad as well. I actually think the Super Rare Games one tastes worse than the Breath of the Wild one. I don't know how they get these to taste so bad. Graceful Explosion Machine is available in digital format on the Nintendo eShop for $13, which in my opinion is a very fair price for a very fun little game. On Super Rare Games website here, it's listed for $32 with only 1% left in stock. I can confidently say if you are a collector, you like to collect Nintendo Switch games, $32 for everything that Super Rare includes in this little package is well worth it. It's actually a very fair price. But anyways, that is all I've got for today. So a huge thank you to Super Rare Games for providing this for me to take a look at. Let me know what you think about Graceful Explosion Machine in the comments below. Let me know what you think about this physical version of Graceful Explosion Machine in the comments below. If you like this video, leave a like. If you didn't like this video, leave a like. Hit that subscribe button, check out my other videos. Thank you everyone, take care.